My cousin Nellie Johnson on family tree does not show to have a spouse, and yet I see that there is a marriage record on the suggested record hints. When I click on Show All, it shows the information in more detail. Nellie Johnson, the parents seem to match. It does show the marriage record with a spouse's name, Elmer Forrest Herdian. So I'm going to review that and attach this record. When I get to the side-by-side comparison, I see that this marriage record already has been attached to someone in the tree. If I hover over this, it says this source is attached to someone else in family tree, Nellie Johnson with that particular number. I suspect then that there are two Nellie Johnsons because this spouse belongs to both these Nellie Johnsons. I'm going to copy the number for this Nellie Johnson, then go to this Nellie Johnson. Family Tree has not found the possible duplicate, but I have. So I'm going to come down to Merge by ID, paste in the ID number. This Nellie Johnson has the spouse already existing in family tree, but no parents. This Nellie Johnson has the parents, but no spouse. But according to the marriage record, where the parents are listed, this spouse is the same person. So I'm going to say these two Nellie Johnsons are the same. When I merge two people, the information on the left-hand side remains. I like the fact that this has a middle initial. I will go ahead and replace that to the left-hand side. The birth information has more detail, so I will leave that. The right-hand side has a notation of where this person lived in 1900, so I'll make that go to the left. I will also add these parents to the left, so when we have the final merge, it will have the spouse and the parents. I'll click on Continue the Merge, and the reason to merge these two people, same name and dates and places. Now Nellie Johnson is listed with her spouse and her parents. And the sources are noted, both the 1900 census and the marriage record. I was noticing that my cousin Wyatt Graham is on family tree but does not have a spouse. I also noticed a marriage record is on record hints. I'm going to click on Show All to see more information. On the marriage record, it says that Wyatt Graham's parents are Emmett Graham and Louisa Doyle. Emmett Graham, Louisa Doyle. He indeed does have a spouse. I am excited to put that on family tree. I'm going to review and attach this record. Comparing Wyatt Graham side by side, the information on the marriage with the information on the tree, I'm going to attach the marriage record to Wyatt. I'll also attach the marriage record to Wyatt's father, Emmett, and the marriage record to Louisa, Wyatt's mother. Now I'm excited to add Glenna Whitmore in as Wyatt's spouse. The system immediately found a Glenna Whitmore, born the same year, and it asked me, do you mean the Glenna Whitmore whose parents are Eli Whitmore and Margaret Harry? As I look at the parents on the marriage record, I see, yes, this is the right person. So Glenna is listed in the tree already with her parents, but not attached as of yet to Wyatt as a spouse. So rather than create a whole new record for Glenna, I'm going to select the one that is already on the tree. I'm going to add the marriage information over to the right and attach the record. Now I will put Glenna in the focus position where Wyatt was so that I could add her parents. Now I will add this marriage record to the parents of Glenna. I will go back to Wyatt in the tree. Now Wyatt shows up with the spouse that already existed in the tree with her parents, but now is attached as a spouse to Wyatt.